buddy. You almost got yourself killed out there. What are you, some kind of adrenaline junkie? Must be rough being slow all the time. Tell you what, today is your lucky day.
Shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger.
Have you ever felt so alive? This is great. You're doing amazing. Oh, geez. Good recovery. Let's keep this our little secret, okay? You never saw me. I was never here.
Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey! Don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Have a good time.
So what were you expecting? A dirty little hedgehog eating berries and struggling to survive? Think again, because I am living my best life on Earth. I've got a library, a home gym, and a state-of-the-art security system. Oh no. And if I'm ever discovered, I'll follow Longclaw's instructions and use my rings to escape to a new planet. A nice, safe little world filled only with mushrooms. Gross, smelly mushrooms. I hate mushrooms.